your ILC for it, but you can't complete ILC without stopping the marijuana. But when I say sanction, that's a punishment for your conduct, which means I will take you into custody and I'll let you sit in jail where I know you're not going to be smoking marijuana. Ms. Shy, anything on those facts?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Burge, did you hear the statement that she read?
Yes.
Do you admit that what she said is true?
Yes.
And again, you understand all the rights you're giving up when you enter a plea of guilty, those rights we discussed?
Yes.
What is your plea?
Guilty.
The court will make a finding that you've made a knowing, intelligent, and voluntary waiver of your constitutional rights. The court accepts your plea of guilty. I am going to grant your motion for intervention in lieu of conviction and order these proceedings stayed pending the completion of the terms of that supervision. So you'll be on ILC for a period of 3 years, subject to the supervision, up to 3 years at this point. You can get done earlier if you get it all done. We're going to talk about that in a second.
Okay.
You're subject to the supervision of the Warren County Probation Department. Okay, you're ordered to refrain from the use of any drugs, alcohol, or marijuana. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, you're ordered to successfully complete substance use disorder and mental health treatment. You're ordered to get your GED. So whatever steps you've already started to take, I'm now making it a court order that you finish your education. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. There's a $35 reimbursement owed to the Ohio State Highway Patrol. Your mom?
Yes.
What is your name, ma'am?
Bethina Burge.
Ms. Burge, thank you for being here. I know you've been here for every one of his court appearances, and from my perspective, from where I sit, especially when I see a young person, to see that you'd be surprised the number of kids that come through here that don't have any family support. However, it is important that you let him be supervised, okay?
Yes, sir.
It's my understanding that perhaps, and again, I want to say this very delicately and with the greatest amount of respect, but he needs to be supervised by his probation officer, which means he needs to have regular contact with that person, right? Do you agree? Not you, him. Okay? So I want you to support him, but I need you to take a step back and let him be supervised. He committed this crime. He's got to take responsibility, which he has. So now he's gonna these consequences, and all of these consequences, quite frankly, are designed to help him. I mean, the treatment, the GED order, that's all designed to help him. Okay?
Okay.
Are we on the same page?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
And he's not actually going for his GED. He's actually going for his actual high school diploma.
Even better. I'll accept that. Thank you, though.
You're welcome.
Now, Mr. Burge, jumping back to you, I understand you tested positive once again for marijuana.
Yeah.
Look, you have a mental health diagnosis and you have a substance use disorder diagnosis. Those two do not mesh with the use of marijuana. That drug, it is a mind-altering drug, and you are not permitted to use it. So if you continue to test positive, understand that I will sanction you. Do you understand when I say sanction? You know what that means?
Yes.
What's it mean?
Sanction?
Yeah, what's it mean?
As in, like, basically, you gonna revoke, right, a sentence,
No, well, okay, I'm not going to revoke your ILC for it, but you can't complete ILC without stopping the marijuana. But when I say sanction, that's a punishment for your conduct, which means I will take you into custody and I'll let you sit in jail where I know you're not going to be smoking marijuana, and you can sit there until you test negative. That's what I mean by sanction, okay? Just to give you a little more incentive. Listen, and I'm doing this because it's not good for you, and it certainly isn't good for what I see as these diagnoses. So I wanted you to stop to get you better, okay? So we've covered that. Now, the last thing I want to cover, you seem to jump between Dayton and Cincinnati.
Yeah.
All right, one place. You're going to live in one place, so pick a place where you're going to live, because that's where, if they do a home visit on you, that's where they're going to expect you to be.
All right.
So you're going to be living in Cincinnati?
Actually living in Middletown.
Middletown?
I'm in Middletown.
Well, I have an address in Dayton and I have an address in Cincinnati. I don't have an address in Middletown.
Yeah, I just spoke with, I don't think it was my PO, it was the IOC person. I forgot her name, but I had to.
Maybe pre-trial?
Maybe a pretrial officer? Who's the pretrial officer? Looks like it's here. It's Miss England? Mackenzie England?
England, yeah.
That's who you spoke to?
Yeah, I was telling her that I was in between places like Cincinnati.
Who lives in Middletown?
My baby mom.
Okay, all right. So Ashley, this is your new officer sitting over here, Ms. Bridgman. She's going to be supervising you from this day forward, okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
you're going to go back and talk with her, give her that information, but no more couch surfing, no more house hopping. You're going to stay in one place.
Yes, sir.
All right. You have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Mom, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I sure do.
Okay.
It's kind of hard to, I understand that you said no more house hopping because I'm doing the same thing too. Other than that, he stated, he is with his baby mom, his kid's mother, and she is not right too tight, so she can kick him out at any given time or call.
Contact with her. She's here to help you.
Right.
You believe that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have any questions? Mom, do you have any other questions?
No, sir.
Mr. Burge, any other questions?
No, sir.
You can do this. Make yourself better. Make yourself productive, okay? All right,
Sir.
that's all. Head back down to court services.
Thank you.